Shannon and Charlotte's playground. So today we will be playing the Disney Princess game. Yes, so let's start. Once upon a time, we will pair it. Once upon a pair. Wow, our first try is done. We found the jasmine with a big tiger. Here we will find all our princesses. There we have Princess Diana. There we go. I found Princess Diana. This is Aurora. Yes, I found Aurora. Here we have another princess. There we go, we found Moana. Alright, wasn't it fun? Let's play once again. This is our beautiful Snow White. So I found Snow White.
This is the left. No. Charlotte. That is.
কথা বলে ভিডিও নষ্ট না করলে ভালো লাগে না শয়তানের বাচ্চা। Alright, so now we have to pair these Disney princesses. So let's try. Here, Shannon, what's the name of this princess? Can you tell me? Okay kids, so we almost got many points and we love pairing these Disney princesses. We found all of these Disney princesses in our kingdom. By matching all the Disney princesses, we can get points. Isn't it fun? And it's the best way to test your memory as well. Alright, we got a pair of Moana. আমাদের কান্না কর্নার কোলেও আসতে চেও না, অনেক করছো। So kids, I hope you had lots of fun today and see you in our next video. Keep watching our channel and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.